A viewer once asked me, "Why do we feel so empty, despite being constantly connected?" The answer lies within the hidden corners of your neglected mind garden. You feel drained even when doing nothing, lost in a sea of digital noise. This loneliness isn't a void, but a sign that your inner world is overgrown. We let external voices invade our space until we can no longer hear our own. The noise of notifications has replaced the rhythm of your true soul. Your mind isn't empty. It is simply abandoned. By ignoring the silence, you've allowed the weeds of anxiety to take root in every path of your life. This video won't teach you how to run from loneliness. Instead, it will show you how to transform it into a powerful ritual for total rebirth. Welcome to the Ritual of Solitude. It is the art of mastering the quiet to break through your limits and reclaim the energy you have lost. To find yourself, you must first be willing to lose the world. Let us begin the journey of turning isolation into your greatest source of strength. To enter this sacred space, you must follow the rules of silence. These boundaries are not cages, but the foundation for your mental liberation today. Rule number 1. Absolute isolation. No internet, no music, and no distractions. You must cut the cord to the digital world to reconnect with yourself. Why such extremism? Because only when you turn off the external noise can the garden of your mind finally reveal the deep roots that need pruning. Rule number 2. Dialogue with paper. In the silence, your only companion is a blank page. It is the mirror that reflects your unspoken truths. Writing is the bridge between chaotic thoughts and clear action. When you put pen to paper, you force your subconscious to step into the light. Rule number 3. A minimum of 2 hours. Transformation takes time. You cannot rush the process of healing a soul that has been neglected for years. Give yourself the gift of time. In these 2 hours, you are not a worker, a student, or a friend. You are simply a human being. To understand why this is hard, we must look at science. Imagine your mind as a donkey being led by a rider through a busy marketplace. The donkey represents your instincts and primal desires. It is driven by basic rewards, always looking for the next easy thrill or quick hit of comfort. The rider is your logic and higher consciousness. Ideally, the rider should lead. But in our modern world, the donkey has taken full control of the path. The carrot is dopamine. Every notification, like, and scroll is a bite of that carrot, keeping the donkey running in circles without ever reaching a destination. We have become addicted to the chase. Your brain is wired for these rewards, making it nearly impossible to sit still without feeling a sense of panic. The ritual of solitude is the moment you put the carrot down. It is the instant the donkey stops running and the rider finally regains their senses. This is where your true identity begins to emerge. Without the constant lure of dopamine, your higher self can finally choose where to go next in life. Now comes the work. You must face the garden. This is the stage of deep self-inquiry, where you pull the weeds of lies you've told yourself. Ask yourself, who am I when no one is watching? If all the followers and likes vanished today, what substance would be left in my soul? Don't be afraid of the silence. In the stillness, the truth will speak. It might be loud, it might be painful, but it is always necessary. Identify your fears. Most of us stay busy just to avoid feeling the weight of our own anxieties. Face them now, and they lose their power. Every weed you pull makes room for a new seed. By acknowledging your shadows, you create the space for your light to finally grow and shine. Are you chasing your own dreams or someone else's expectations? Use this solitude to redefine your mission and align it with your deepest values today. Look closely. New energy is rising. When you stop wasting power on trivial things, Your mind begins to heal and generate its own natural vitality. You are no longer alone. You are with yourself. This is the most important relationship you will ever have, the foundation for every other connection. Map out your future with this newfound clarity. A mind that has been stilled is like a laser, capable of cutting through any obstacle in its path. The transformation is nearly complete. What once was a place of fear and neglect is now a sanctuary of peace and boundless creative potential. Mastering solitude is the ultimate superpower. It allows you to step back into the world, not as a victim of noise, but as a master of life. You have survived the silence. You have faced the void and found it full of treasures. Now, it is time to bring this fire back out. This flame is your willpower. It was forged in the quiet and cannot be easily extinguished by the storms of the chaotic world outside your garden. Loneliness is not your enemy. It is a gift for those brave enough to face it. It is the crucible where your strongest self is born. Your life is your greatest work of art. Don't let others scribble over it. Take the time to paint your own vision with intention and grace. The ritual starts now. Put down your phone, pick up your pen, and step into the garden of your mind. Your future self is waiting there. There is a profound joy in knowing who you are. This ritual is the key to unlocking that joy and keeping it forever within your heart. You are capable of more than you can imagine. All you need is the courage to be still and the wisdom to listen to the silence. Return to the world, but keep the silence within you. Be the calm center of every storm, the steady hand in every chaotic moment of life. Every moment of solitude is a seed planted for your success. Nurture it daily, and watch as your entire world transforms into something truly beautiful. Your brain is rewiring itself. By breaking the dopamine loop, you are building the neural highways to a focused and deeply meaningful existence today. Follow your inner compass. It only works when the magnetic interference of the world is stripped away. Trust the direction your soul is pointing you. The path to greatness always leads through the desert of loneliness. Do not fear the dry heat. It is only burning away what is unnecessary. When the water is still, you can see the bottom. When your mind is still, you can see the truth of your own infinite potential. Take a deep breath. You are reborn. The energy you have recovered today will fuel your journey toward the horizons you once thought were unreachable. You are a tree of life. Your roots are your solitude, and your leaves are your actions. Keep your roots deep to withstand any external pressure. Small rituals lead to big changes. Start with just 2 hours and watch how your perspective on the entire world begins to shift and improve. I believe in your ability to master yourself. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single hour of silence. Will you start today? On with a, end with a. Every soul deserves a sanctuary. Make your mind a place you love to visit, and you will never truly be lonely again in your life. The world will wait for you, but your soul cannot wait any longer. Step into the ritual and reclaim the life you were meant to live. Thank you for joining me on this path. Remember, you are the master of your silence and the architect of your own glorious and bright destiny. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the mind. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and enjoy your own beautiful solitude.